Hey there, quick review on this SZHLUX live animal trap. This is ideal for small animals, chipmunks, squirrels, rats, animals of that size. As you can see here, it comes out of the box and it is welded together so that it stays in this shape. It doesn't collapse like some other traps do. Setting this trap is very simple. You have this rod here, which is inserted into the door like so. You have the door stop here. This slides up and down, and whenever the trap is triggered, this bar drops down and locks the door in place so that it can't be opened. So to set the trap, we're gonna raise that locking bar, and up here at the top, we're gonna thread this other rod through the loop like so, and we're gonna connect that to our trigger plate right here. So now the trap is set. All it takes is a very slight amount of pressure and that rear lid drops. The locking bar goes across the back door so that this can't be opened. I'll demonstrate setting the trap one more time. Swing this top rod so it's pointing towards the rear door. Flip this U-shaped piece up, slide the door lock up. Now we'll flip this back over and insert the rod into the connector that goes down to the trigger plate inside the trap. Our bait would be back here. The animal steps on the trigger plate and the door locks in place. Overall, the product works exactly like I would expect, works really well. The only minor complaint that I have is up here on this rod that comes across. It was a little bit too long and it took quite a bit of pressure to actually trigger the trap. So I actually took my snips and snipped off about a 1/16 or an 1/8 of an inch off the end of this rod. And that just made it a lot more sensitive so that the rear door will drop down a little bit easier with less contact by the animal.